Hello my creative friend, let me show you a free AI website that will help you convert your low-res image into a high-res image. So the website that we're using for this tutorial is called imgupscaler.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Right, so when you hop onto this website, now of course you need to create an account, right? So you go to choose image, right? So you upload the image you want to use or you want to upscale, right? Now you have two options here. You have the ratio 200% or 400%. So I'm going to set it at 200% and then I'm going to click this upload and start button. Alright, so when it's done, you go ahead and click this download button. So the process is complete, and as you can see right here, the image shows, let me zoom in, it shows 777 kilobytes, right? So as you can see here, there is a difference of, this was the former size, which is 399, but right now we have 777 kilobytes. So let's repeat for this other one. Now this image shows that it's, let's go to properties and see what we've got here. Okay, under general, it says the size is 152 kilobytes, right? So I'm going to once again take it, drag it to the website. Yes, I'm going to just drag it and, okay, so I'm going to drag it and pop onto the website. Okay, it says now, because I'm using a free account, it says I can only upload one image at a time. So I'm going to delete. Right, so if you're using the free account, you can't do a batch upscaling, right? So what you have to do is to go ahead and delete the one you uploaded, right? And then you upload a fresh image. Yes, so I'm going to drag this and drop it onto the website. And then once again, you go ahead and click upload and start. Okay, so when you're done, you go ahead and click download once again. So let's compare and contrast. Now the one we just worked on right now, let's go to the properties and see what we got. Now it says the properties, because it says 433 kilobytes, right? So let's go to the former one and see the size. Now the previous one says, let's go to properties. Now it says 152 kilobytes. So as you can see, there's a huge difference between the former, the previous image and the current one we just upscaled. So even if you download a low-res image for your project or something, you can of course come to this website to upscale your image and you are good to go. So if you found this useful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.